Hi and welcome. We got in a DIY bead set from Bead Talk, and we're going to give you a closer look at this set and also do a DIY for you so you can see what you can make. So this is a large jewelry making kit, and inside are polymer clay beads and everything you need to get started making your own jewelry right away. So it comes with the instructions and tells you what you can make and also the company information. All the beads and jewelry making materials come in this organized container. It just pops right open easily, and you can see that everything in here is nice and organized. So you do get a lot to play with. They mentioned that their beads are premium quality, have no odor. The alphabet doesn't have any missing letters, so that's important. And you can see all the beads are really nice colors and uniform in size. This is a double tray, so underneath is the string and a little compartment to keep some supplies under there. Here are the string colors. They're really nice and vibrant colors. And then there's some earring blanks and some keychains. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make some cute unicorn earrings with a positive affirmation. You can also use the tray to pour the letters in if that's easier for you. Also, it does help if you have some tweezers or jewelry tools. I'll pick out the letters, and I'm going to spell love life. And I'm going to use their cute little unicorn charms for the middle. And just make sure if you're using letters on the earrings that you put them on backwards and upside down so that they're the right way once you string them onto the earrings. And then you can apply a little jump ring to the unicorn charm so that it hangs the right way. The jump rings are included. And there they are. And these are just so adorable. We hope you found this helpful and enjoyed watching. Have a great day.